She moves swings every time I fuck with her.
Just seeing myself. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us today for the first time, my name is nigerianyoutuber and welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I will be showing you the easy steps to creating this look. Yes, I went from my fringe look to this look. So if you are interested, then don't go anywhere.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. It's school and everything.
Okay, so first off, I need to let you guys know that this wig is 2 years old. Yes, and I got it from Amazon. So if you're thinking, is it very affordable? Then yes, it is very affordable. So to create this my amazing look, I only used 3 things. Don't worry, I will show you. The main thing I used was this. Yes, this little blue stuff you're seeing. I got it Amazon. It's some kind of roller. I used my coiling mousse. My lighting has come again. I'm going to put the picture, don't worry. And the third thing and most important thing I used was the sun. So if you have some kind of, okay, honestly, I tried to order my bonnet dryer from Amazon because it didn't come in. I guess it's because of the pandemic, or I'll leave the link to everything I used for this hair in my description. To create this look, I used this, and believe it or not, this same wig was the wig I used for my first YouTube video. I used it for my second YouTube video, which is my question tag with Ella Candy, and I used it to create my fringe, and of course this today. So some of you might be looking at me, how is this a fringe wig? How did I create this look with a fringe wig? Well, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how I created this look. And okay, I'm talking too much. Let's just cut to the chase. Let's start creating this look. So to create this look, as you can see, this is my frontal wig, the same wig I used for my first and second YouTube video, and now it is a fringe wig. So the last look I created was a fringe look, and guys, please bear with me, this is my first voiceover. I'm just going to give you guys a brief explanation on how I created this fringe look. Just look at this fine girl. Asa mpeke or asa mpete. So to create this look, I simply opened my hair in the middle. I created like a center pattern and I brushed it forward. After brushing it forward, I wore it back on my head just so I can measure the length I wanted for the fringe. After doing that, I brushed it again and I trimmed. I know it is not even now, but just pretend you didn't see it. Let's focus on the look I am creating now. So to create my look, I'm going to comb it upward because I am not going to be able to make use of the fringe. So as a creative person that I am now, I decided, why not, if not, let us weave this fringe. So I'm going to create a side pattern, and I'm also going to open it from the back just so I am able to give you a clean weave. And I'm going to be doing Didi. I think Didi is called inward weaving or inward braiding. What do you guys call it? Please tell me in my comment section. I don't know, I just call it Didi. So I will show you guys what it looks like. This is the pattern I created. This is it. And to create Didi, I always like to part the gain in the middle. That is just how it is easy for me to make it. I don't know about anybody, and I am not a professional, so I am going to do what I am able to do. I left a little baby hair, as you can see. I'm not so much of a big fan of baby hair. I only enjoy do baby hair when it's my natural hair. I like my hair looking as natural as possible. I will show you my aftermath of this my Didi. I hope it's good. I hope you guys like it. So this is what it looks like after braiding my hair. Do you guys like my Diddy look? I think it's clean and clear. It will work. So the next thing we want to do is roll our hair. I'm going to turn my hair to the back so that we can start rolling. I'll roll from the back. As you can see, I left out a little hair because I want to take it step by step. And this is the roller. This blue little cute roller. So easy to use. You just push it inwards after rolling and it stays. I will be applying my coiling mousse. This will help my coil stay and make my hair look shiny. I'm going to be opening it small just so I can get the coil I want. I'll show you guys how to use the rollers. You just roll like you're doing washing and setting. This hair actually reminded me of the time myself and my twin sister used to follow my mom to the salon. We wear her handbag. Like my brothers were so jealous because we're not back home to wash plate or do anything. Just follow my mom to the salon. So it was interesting to roll this hair. It gave me memories. And as you can see, these rollers is easy to make. So these rollers came in 40 pieces, 20 large ones and 20 small ones. I am going to be using the small ones for the front and this large ones for the back. Just look at it, very easy to roll. After rolling, all you need to do is push it back inwards and it stays. So easy to use. I'm going to show you guys how I will be rolling this front. I left this part out because I want to roll it from the front. I want it to drop on my face. That's why I left this part out, and I'll be doing it with the smaller rollers. Who believe this hair is 2 years? Look at this fine hair. You guys, please ignore my doll my doll head. It has different colors of it, from green to pink to what. This doll head has suffered. That's because I am always using it either to dye my hair or to do something. I'm always playing with my hair. So as you can see, I applied my coiling mousse again, and now I am ready to roll. I'm using the small rollers, and like before, you just roll, and when you get end, you push it back and it just stays just like that. Very easy to use. Anybody can use this. Don't worry guys, I'm going to leave the link to everything I used in creating this look in my description, so please check it out. I'll be leaving the direct link to everything. And okay, one thing didn't come. I was supposed to use a bonnet dryer to dry my hair, but it did not come. But not to worry, God has given us natural heat, the sun. I will be making use of the sun. In fact, what I actually did was, after rolling, I decided to leave my hair out overnight so that it is properly dried. When this hair is dried, it just gives you nice bouncing coils. So if you're asking me if I checked what the coils were like, yes I did, just to confirm if it was the coil I wanted. And after that, I will be laying my wig. I'm not going to show you guys the way I lay my wig because this is an old wig, but don't worry, I will do that pretty soon. So this is our finished look. And this is me laying this wig. You guys, please do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel, okay? I'm going to dry it a little bit more, and that is it. Finish look. So I hope you guys loved my video, and I hope you love this look, because I am feeling myself, and if I'm feeling myself, you must know I'm feeling you too. Yes, you. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like my look. Give me a thumbs up if you're going to be trying this look. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe. You need to subscribe to your girl's channel now. Come on. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.